This does clunk into first gear a bit. Coming.
Greetings, fellow humans! Today I'm running an errand to Autozone to get a windshield repair kit, on account of a chipped windshield on the car. See, I was heading back home after dropping my brother at the airport when I came across a rough section of the 495 highway that was being resurfaced for paving. There was a big truck up ahead, 2 lanes over, and it was kicking up small stones everywhere. Well, one of those larger small stones managed to chip the windshield. I was so damn mad, but crap happens and at least it looks like it's repairable. So I'm going to get the kit and do my best. This was my first real errand on the bike. I mean, I could have driven there, but where's the fun in that? Plus, I can get some practice with negotiating traffic. Out past farmlands, farm stands and vineyards, past quaint curio shops and little eateries that echo old-timey America. Over the years, this area has gotten more and more built up and modernized, and with that, noticeably more traffic. But for the most part, traffic is pretty chill. Until the weekends when everyone from New York City floods this place to get away from the hustle and bustle, essentially bringing the hustle and bustle with them. The thing that sucks with traffic in New York is that, like most states, lane splitting is actually illegal. That doesn't stop many bikers from doing it, especially in New York City and surrounding areas where traffic gets really gnarly. Not like in Jamaica where we know the delivery man them on the road. But out here, because drivers aren't expecting it, lane splitting can be highly dangerous. Plus, getting arrested in a foreign country may be a bad idea, so I will ride based on how I see other bikers ride around here. Meaning, I'm kind of stuck behind this dog grooming truck, but better to be patient and safe. Here. Now, usually it's best practice to park facing out, but this parking spot has a slight grade which makes it, here I say differently still, is mostly calm me can't bother. Cause you don't know, me not in the late thing, but I just grab what I need, pay and cut. 10 minutes later.
This is usually a hell to get out of.
Success! Item got. Time to make like Optimus Prime and roll out. Forsooth! Back to my lair, I have a windshield to fix. So great, I did an errand and negotiated traffic, but honestly the thrill of stop-and-go traffic is not why I wanted to get into riding. But while we're here, let's talk traffic a bit. As bad as traffic can get here, it's still a way more chill experience than riding in Kingston traffic. For the most part, people here are just breezing along, and most importantly, they are, for the majority of the time, considerate. I don't feel like I have to fight every cager on the road to get to my destination, and running errands is kinda relaxing. The city, however, is a totally different story, much more similar to Kingston, Jamaica. The problem with places like this is the temptation to drop your guard, which for a motorcycle rider is a recipe for disaster. But there are absolutely places where I never drop my guard, and that is at intersections. No matter how chill people are, or how considerate they can be, or whether you have the green light or not, people can still not see you on your bike, run a light, pull out in front of you, etc. The majority of accidents I've seen here have occurred at intersections, and they can be nasty. It really only takes one person zoning out to give you a bad day, or rest of your life. So I'm always on the lookout, even for those pesky side roads, or even those driveways that come out onto the main road. It's why I chose a bright orange armored jacket to make me more visible. Hey, I may look like a tangerine, but at least I'm making myself as obvious as possible. I want to do the same for my bike at some point, a dash of vibrant color to help it stand out. Speaking of my bike, so far I've been having a great time with it. Not gonna lie, the first few rides were pretty intimidating. Funny story, I almost made him into a street fighter. However, that is a longer story for another video. But right now, I have a windshield to fix. Tally-ho! So I got what I needed and spent a couple hours reading instructions and setting timers in hopes to save the windshield. The result is not perfect, but not bad if I must say so myself. Once again, thanks for following along on this less than thrilling adventure to get a windshield repair kit. I promise there's more exciting stuff coming up. But until then, safe travel, pon de gravel.